Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to start new chapter, that is entrepreneurship development. Entrepreneurs play a very important role in the development of any country. They are the backbone of nature's economic progress. Entrepreneurs are innovators, but in their role, they act as the owners, producers, coordinators, market creators, decision takers, and risk takers. They organize land, labor, and capital to provide much needed goods and services to the society and therefore are referred to as fourth factor of production. They endeavor to increase productivity and the quality of output by application of modernized techniques. They generate employment opportunities to large sections of the society and try to increase their standard of living. Several factors were responsible for the slow growth of entrepreneurship in pre independent India. At the time of independence, the industrial base of our economy was very pure and the industrial were flooded with many problems like storage of raw material, deficiency of capital, competition, marketing problems, etc. After independence, the government had realized the need for rapid industrialization in the country. It started the process of clear-cut industrial policies and established many entrepreneurship development institutions and advisory bodies. Now, see the concept of entrepreneurship. The concept of entrepreneur varies from industry to industry, country to country, as well as from time to time. Economists never had a concise definition of entrepreneur or entrepreneurship. The word entrepreneur comes from the French word entreprise, it means to undertake. An entrepreneur is a person who start a business is willing to risk loss in order to make money. The common keywords business and risk are interrelated. If there is no real business or risk, a person cannot be called as an entrepreneur. The small businessman who had founded your neighborhood grocery shop is an entrepreneur. The founder of the start of laundry services across the street is an entrepreneur. The founder of the multi-billion Reliance Company Limited with his high-tech world-leading application is an entrepreneur. The freelancing plumber who works for himself and unclogs your drains in is an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurship means the willingness of an individual to start a new business venture by taking risks and managing it in this technology enable competitive global environment. The entrepreneurs are positioned to innovative, lead, invent, and pioneer with dispute product or technology. The size of the business, the type of work involved, the age or the formal education of the entrepreneur, etc., does not restrict the entry of entrepreneur. Similarly, the level of success or failure also does not matter. Entrepreneurs are the people who have courage of offer to share an idea or a product or a service with the world. They try to make market a better place where the needs of consumer can be satisfied. Now see the definition of entrepreneurship. First definition is according to Webster Dictionary. An entrepreneur is a person who start a business and is willing to risk loss in order to make money. Another definition is according to Oxford Dictionary. An entrepreneur is a person who organizes and operates a business or businesses taking on greater than normal financial risk in order to do so. Now, see the characteristics of entrepreneur. First point, intellectual capabilities. An entrepreneur is a creative thinker. He has reasonably good intelligence. He has ability to analyze business situations. This ability will help him to take proper decisions. Next, future vision. The entrepreneur has a good foresight about future market situation. He should also have knowledge about external business environment. This will help him to take proper decisions according to the situation and change in the market. So he can take timely actions for the sum. Next, hard work. An entrepreneur is ready to hard work. It is more necessary when a new venture is started. He has to work for long hours. Many times he has to handle the main areas of business independently. This will make him successful. Next point, technical knowledge. An entrepreneur has good technical knowledge about his business. The entrepreneur has the ability to update himself with the latest knowledge about the product, process and technology also. Next, communication skills. An entrepreneur needs to communicate with different people like customers, suppliers, creditors, employees, etc. He must be able to express his ideas, strategies effectively. It is necessary that is a proper understanding between the sender and the receiver of the message. Next, highly optimistic. An entrepreneur has to always think positively. He is always hopeful and confident about the market situation, even in failure times also. Such positive attitude helps him to run his business successfully. Next, risk bearing capacity. Successful entrepreneur takes calculated risk. He is ready to face challenges and always seeks new or more opportunities. Next, self confidence. An entrepreneur has self confidence. He has positive desire to achieve his goals. Such self motivation keeps his strong and confidence to face various problems. Thank you.